This is the Acuitas Evaluator home screen. The Acuitas Evaluator is an intelligent decision support application that enables executives to decide very quickly and effectively if an individual project or scenario should be approved on a standalone basis or not, or included or not in a portfolio optimization process in the Acuitas integrator. The Acuitas Evaluator Best Practices Dynamic Decision Flow enables you to follow best practices in making project decisions by simply following the sequence logic in the diagram. Clicking on the Evaluator Decision Flow Navigation button takes us instantly to the home screen of the Evaluator Best Practices Dynamic Decision Flow. This is the home screen of the Evaluator Best Practices Dynamic Decision Flow. The Evaluator Best Practices Dynamic Decision Flow is an integrated set of 6 steps that guides you through the optimal decision-making process for an individual project or scenario. The model supports over 80 key performance indicators to evaluate project success and enables you to set for each KPI and time period the priority or importance rank and the target that defines project success. All of the data and assumptions required to generate optimized results will be described in steps 1, 2, and 4. Step 5, Optimize, is where the optimization itself is generated and overall projected results against your prioritized targets are displayed. This is the home screen of the Evaluator Prioritization Decision Support. The summary table in the upper right-hand corner of the screen is color-coded, so you can instantly see the overall assessment of project viability based on your current set of priorities, targets, and assumptions. Green means that the project exceeds or meets the targets for success and should be approved both on a standalone basis and for inclusion into the integrator portfolio level analysis. Or red means that the project falls short of your targets and should not be approved or included. This simulation shows that based on including only those KPIs ranked highest priority, we see 98% above target, or first 2 highest priorities 18% above, or all KPIs over 800% above. This scenario exceeds the target on all counts. We just showed how the evaluator synthesizes the results from the large number of KPIs and boils the process of actionable decision making to a single point that is easy to interpret. The table to the right of the prioritization table below indicates the prioritization of the KPIs that most contributed to this summary assessment. So we'll just scroll down the screen and move over to the right. Clicking on the Prioritize button for the assessment of only those KPIs that you ranked as the highest priority shows that fixed asset additions as a percentage of total cash outflow was the largest contributor at 24.2% of the 98% overall score, followed by return on shareholders' equity at just a little under 21%. We scroll down, since this is sorted in descending order of impact. We see that cash and short-term investments as a percentage of total assets was the only highest ranked KPI that underperformed the target, and then only a very slightly negative of 0.1%. This means that the project is very solid in this regard and has significant downside risk protection for all of your most important KPIs. Going back to the top here. Let's return to the home screen of the Evaluator Best Practices Dynamic Decision Flow and go through the process step by step.